president, you're 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 president.
Rock back, what the deal? T9 and I'm for real. My 9 mind shoot to kill. Holy Bible, Bible by will. I think I will kill a beast. Still locked in the belly of the beast. Curse all those that locked up my chief. Now I got my angel, my key. What you do to him, you do to me. And I don't walk alone. I walk with soldiers, that's what I told ya. Now it's revenge cause we much older. Say I don't care, I learned to care. But all this bitch makes me colder. Been here 4 minutes, stripes on my shoulders. Temerate proof, we taking over. You can rest, you can chill. Whatever we will rebuild. Neefa said you can't stop pops. I agree, you can't stop pops. You can call the Army, Navy, cops, the FBI or special ops. Doc is coming home whether you like it or not. Truth is nobody come off with Doc.
You're president, 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 you're president.
Yo, which way we roll? We are not a party people. We are an intelligent people. We don't party, we celebrate. We love our sugar, you hate. Contemplate about the fate of my race, but nobody wins the race. Hit the block and paper chase. Pull up my pants, tie my lace. Walk with the real, off the fake. The law, the land, state to state. Know the law, know your law. What you think I'm up in here for? I'm not trying to mess with your intelligence. My message is you're for president. I heard you say you a free man. I hear ya, I dig ya. When you gon' help free political prisoners? My roots say I'm the Wapian more. If we don't do issue, it's all irrelevant. If we can't unify, it's all irrelevant. Fight the power, that's still relevant. Get up, man, don't be hesitant. Scream out loud, York for president.
You're president, 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 you're president.
I walked on ice and never fell. You taught me about heaven and hell. Got the gold book, so I prevail. That's right, I'm the Wapian, can't you tell? Up round my neck, letters on my feet. Zulu Nation and T with the beat. Yeah, you heard me, but I'll repeat. Zulu Nation and T with the beat. We here with York for president. Yeah, you heard me, York for president. I'm your Massey, and I'm classy. Status married, walk right past me. Don't harass me, I'm a goddess. We all under the sun, but who's the hottest? I'm sovereign, my rights are legal. York for president, New Wapian people.
You're president, 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 you're president.
So we're going to go into where we are now in reference to our fight and our status as the United Nation of Nuwaubian. We are the United Nation of Nuwaubian, and our land is considered and has always been considered sovereign. We have always declared our sovereignty. We have always established and honored and respected and accepted our president, His Excellency, Dr. Malachi K.Z. York.
This is Makul, Chief Black Thunderbird Eagle, Chief of the Mountain Native American Moors of the Creek Nation, BIA registry number 208/1999. That is when we registered with the Bureau of Indian Affairs. Our Constitution of Declaration of Indigenous Status has already been in existence since 1990.